What's the meaning of compare? Compare. Compare.
Compare. Compare. Compare means to examine the similarities and differences between two or more things. When we compare, we analyze these things in order to determine their relative merits, strengths, weaknesses, and other attributes. The result of comparison can help us make informed decisions, choose the best option, or gain a better understanding of different concepts. By comparing ideas, products, services, or other entities, we can draw meaningful conclusions and improve our knowledge and judgment. Overall, comparison is a valuable tool for critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making.